How you doing, guys? This is Carlos today. Today, I just would like to have a personal talk with you. I want to ask you something. Are you the type of person that is learning something and taking action today? Are you the type of person that just buy books and courses and just put it on your shelf and don't do anything with it? My friend, if you are not taking action today, if you are letting time pass you by, if you're just taking trainings and courses and buying books after books and not taking action, just not doing nothing with it, my friend, this is not for you. I have to be honest with you. I don't want you to go through that headache of just wasting and losing money. I am here to help you. My advice for today is learn something today. Whatever you want to learn, okay? Learn something today and take action today if it's possible, or take action tomorrow, not later than tomorrow. Okay? Don't follow the steps of just people that keep failing, okay? You don't want to go through years just failing and losing money, my friend. You want to take action today. You want to learn something. Other advice for you is surround yourself around successful people. People that want to, genuinely like myself, want to help you. Listen to those people. They know what they're telling you. They pay their dues. They learn this skill. Be humble. My friend, I'm telling you, before when I just started this business, I thought I knew it all and I can do this myself. I can teach this myself. I can learn this myself. And what happens is, you probably already know what happens. I failed. I didn't get no results. What happens is, you probably already know what happens. I failed. I didn't get no results. If you are looking to learn the right way, without losing money, okay? But of course, taking action, that's your part, okay? My part is helping you, showing you the information that can get you closer to your dreams. But you have to make your part too, my friend. I don't know what type of person you are. If you're the type of person that learns something today and apply it today or tomorrow, is your part too. You have to take action, okay? But surround yourself around successful people, somebody that can help you, somebody that can know the skills and can teach you to get you closer to your dreams. So that way, you know where to aim, you know where to shoot. I mean, obviously, I'm not talking about, guns, but I'm talking about, like, you will have the guy, okay, the necessary steps right in front of you that you can just follow, okay, knowing the outcoming results. Surround yourself successful people, mentors, guys that can just push you closer to your dreams. And whatever you learn from them, apply as soon as possible, my friend. Don't let time pass you by. Time is gold. I know you want the freedom. That's why you're here, to learn how to make money online, how to generate an extra income online, so you can have more time, more freedom for your family, for yourself, just to do the things that you love. My friend, I genuinely want to help you. I hope you're listening to this video. It's short, but the message is important, okay? And I just want to let you know this. And this is my mission for me, to you, to help you, to inspire you, to let you know that you can do this. Anything is possible in life, okay? Thank you again so much for watching this video. I'm so excited that you watched this video, and I know you can do this. And please engage with me. My links are below here, all my social media, all that's my new accounts. There is a new my training, two-part training video series, which is going to teach you pretty much internet marketing. Okay, it's a summarized training. Okay, of course, there's going to be after that training is going to be an opportunity to go more deeper if you want to actually master internet marketing, my friend. So go again, check the links out, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, my friend. Thank you.